Birsa Munda Jayanti 2025 observed on 15th November, marking the 150th birth anniversary of great tribal freedom fighter. To honor this historic occasion, the government has been observing Jan Jatiya Gaurav Varsh, a year-long celebration of tribal heritage. Indian government declared 15th November as Jan Jatiya Gaurav Divas during the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in 2021. The celebration highlights his fight for tribal rights, protection of land, and upliftment of his community. Facts about Birsa Munda. He was born in Uli Hatu, Khunti district of Jharkhand in 1875 with birth name Daud Munda, belonged to the Munda tribe of Chota Nagpur Plateau area in Jharkhand. He spent some time in company of a prominent Vaishnav preacher Anand Panre. His contribution for society founded the Buddhist sect believing in one God and promoting a reformist code of conduct for tribal society, campaigned against alcoholism, witchcraft, and sorcery, and promoted cleanliness awareness, educated tribals on British atrocities, and revived awareness of their culture, heritage, and community land ownership. Birsa Munda is best known for leading the Munna rebellion, Ulgulan / Great Tumult, a strong uprising against British rule, revered as Bhagwan and honored as Dharti Abha, father of earth. History of History of Munda rebellion. Under this movement, Birsa Munda mobilized tribes belonging to Chota Nagpur, Bengal, and Odisha against Dikus, outsiders, and Europeans referred to as Ravanas from 1895 onward to establish an independent Munda Raj. He fought against the unfair laws that took away tribal lands and restricted their forest rights. Key movements. 1895, Birsa Munda was arrested on a charge for rioting and jailed for 2 years. 1897, after his release, he continued his activity, moving from village to village, gathering support to establish kingdom under his leadership. 1900, Birsa Munda arrested again in Chakradpur, Chakradpur forest and died in cholera in captivity. Cholera in captivity. Outcomes: 1908 Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act. It is prohibited tribal land transfer. Tokon tribal government abolished forced labor with vigorous system, a law that is still today.